Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Trillium Creek Primary School in West Linn, Oregon. This is my first ever school in Oregon, my 21st state that I've now spoken in, which is just an honor to have it be this one. This school is so focused on what truly matters. And the primary focus for today was diversity. The sub-theme was need human kindness. And it really does tie into, I'm here in their library. We had the two assemblies for grades K through 5 in the gym, but they have these different banners, murals, posters, talking about inclusion, talking about diversity as well. You know, this one says, in our community, our diversity is our strength. And the big thing they push here is that, yes, everyone's different, but everyone still belongs, right? That we're fully inclusive, that, we still choose to accept differences around us, and knowing that the fact that we are all unique, that's what makes schools like this so special, right? So amazing. We can learn from each other, we can grow from each other. And that was just kind of really what I tried to hammer home in today's presentations. And talking about the need for human kindness, which this world needs a lot more of, the main shirt that I wear for this particular assembly says need human kindness, right? And you see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. But there's also two people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves. We have to show it to others as well, right? And the more that we do that, it may not just affect the person or persons that we're, showing the kindness towards. It could be anybody that hears it or sees it too, right? That it might change their heart in a positive way, maybe forever. And to know that we have to be all in for this planet, that's huge. And this being the kickoff day for their inclusion week here at the school, that's what we really try to focus on as well. Not just the kindness principles, but empathy and compassion. And, knowing that just one act of kindness is how we start to change this world, right? So being able to appreciate our differences, which is diversity, both on the outside and on the inside, but also being able to see ourselves and others for this too. I bring this up in all my talks, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Trace one of mine here. This M stands for miracle, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. And then M, we say, stands for miracle, upside down. W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. This being a dual language school, soy único, that I'm unique. That's another focus for today as part of the inclusion week. But also, milagro is miracle. Corazón, heart, right? That we accept everyone, no matter what language they speak, the foods they eat, the clothes they wear, how they're born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn. We can always accept them, right? Their skin color, and the list goes on. So a lot of these different designs and posters and bulletin boards across the school, they are in 2 languages, right? Like you see on this one here, and even further down, talking about how everyone's different, everyone belongs. Todos son diferentes, todos pertenecen. And that's what I really like to see too, not only because I speak quite a bit of Spanish myself, but also to be able to immerse ourselves and know that it's so important, to accept other cultures, to accept people that might be born in a whole different country or state than us, right? And I think it's opening our eyes, not just our hearts, but being able to not judge, to put ourselves in someone else's shoes, to show that unconditional love, like that love without any conditions, right? In a world where you can be anything, we have to choose to be kind. And I think the students really did take that to heart today, through the interactive exercises, through the positive hip hop music, the inspirational videos, picture slides, all that combined, really, I think, touched hearts. And I said, look, if I touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift, but how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thank you again for letting me come share my heart and speak with you all today. Hope to see you again in the near future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.